In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a manuscript using Google Docs. First, head over to Google Docs and log into your account. It's essential to have access to all of Google's tools, which will prove to be beneficial as we dive deeper into organizing your writing project. Once you're in, you'll want to open a new document by clicking on Blank Document. This sets the stage for your novel writing journey, giving you a fresh canvas to bring your ideas to life. Next, let's configure the page setup by clicking on File and then Page Setup. You'll want to set the margins to 1 inch all around, which is standard for manuscripts. For the font, consider using Times New Roman, Georgia, or Garamond, as these are easy to read. Keep the font size at 12 pt for consistency and ensure your line spacing is double by navigating to Format, then line and paragraph spacing. With these settings applied, it's time to personalize your document by renaming it Novel Working Draft. This adds a professional touch and helps you stay organized. As you begin drafting, make use of headings to organize your work. Use heading 1 for chapter titles like Chapter 1 and heading 2 or 3 for subsections or scene breaks. This structuring is crucial for navigating your document efficiently. To enhance your workflow, click on View and enable Document Outline. This feature creates a clickable sidebar that makes jumping between chapters a breeze. Keeping your document organized can improve your writing flow. Beyond Google Docs, organize your project by creating a Google Drive folder specifically for your novel. You can have subfolders for your outline, draft, and any research or notes you gather. This setup keeps everything tidy and easily accessible. Another powerful tool in Google Docs is voice typing, which you can access by clicking on Tools. This allows you to dictate your scenes, freeing you from typing and letting your ideas flow naturally. Additionally, don't forget to take advantage of the version history located under File, Version History. Naming different drafts allows you to track your progress and never lose your work's evolution. For those who want to set goals, use the word count tool to establish daily targets such as 1,000 words a day. This can motivate you to write consistently. You might even consider using add-ons like Google Docs Writing Tracker from the Google Workspace Marketplace to gamify your writing sessions. If you're collaborating or seeking feedback, Google Docs makes it simple to share your document. You can grant your beta readers or editors viewing, commenting, or editing rights. Use the suggesting mode for collaborators, allowing you to see track changes without affecting the original text. Finally, remember to back up and export your work. Google Docs auto-saves, but downloading your document in formats like .docx, .pdf, or .epub is crucial, especially if you plan to publish your work. Whether you're sending it to a publisher or preparing it for self-publishing platforms, having these formats ready is key to transitioning smoothly from draft to publication.